What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you haven't been here already. This video is just showing you how to get a nice natural glowy dewy look, perfect for the summer. Like, you don't have to worry about sweating off all your makeup. It's fast, easy, and it's hot. Hope you guys are staying safe through all of this chaos in the world, and hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Alrighty, guys, so I like to start off with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer in the Dewy. For a budget primer, it actually works really great. I like to pat it into my face because, as we know, patting doesn't cause wrinkles like rubbing does, but you still kind of have to rub it in a little bit too. So I'm just gonna do this to my face to make sure it's all blended, and it's gonna take fucking forever. And we are still patting the face. And then I go in with the Hard Candy Glamouflage foundation. I almost called it concealer. It actually works really great. Costs $5, but their shade range is absolute shit. So I have to mix the shades Warm, Honey, and Olive together because not a good one for shade ranges. It's either really light and it just goes to tan, kind of tan. Now we gotta beat that face. Don't forget the neck and the ears a little bit. My neck doesn't tan for some reason, so it's always white. This foundation is also very full coverage. I don't have to use a color corrector or anything, and it covers most of my acne, and it's very long wear. I'm just absolutely in love for the price. Unprepared as always. Just searching for my brow mascara. And this brow mascara is Glow Mineral Brow Mascara. For the summer, I really like just a light eyebrow look, like nothing too drastic. I don't want to sweat it off and have my eyebrows all over my face, you know? Shit ain't good. And then when the brow mascara happens to get on my thing, because I have really thin brows, I just blend it in and it makes just like a really natural, like fuller brow look. And then same on the other side. For some reason, it's always easier to do one side than the other. The second side was just so easy. Y'all, I'm seriously blind as fuck. My face is all up in the mirror. Next, we're going in with the Morphe Contour Palette. I love, love, love this stuff. It's really good budget price, blends very nicely. Just awesomeness. Morphe is life. I'm going for a lighter, more natural look, nothing too intense. I do press my bristles on my contour in just so I can get more of a straight line, and then I blend it out. Very unprofessional, I know. I'm really just going for a nice, summery, bronzed, dewy, and not sweaty look. Girls, we don't want to look sweaty. Gotta contour the whole face. And then I am going in with my highlight. The shade is Cheers, darling. I love this gold look. Like, hello, summer. Beautiful, glowy, tan, bronzed goddess. And I did not use like a highlight, like concealer in this video because I'm just going for like the most natural, beautiful look that I could get. Like for me personally, I feel like cake face is for the winter because your makeup doesn't melt off. Always highlight that lip, make that shit pop. Now we're going in with that bad gal bang. I really like this mascara. It works really good, but the only downside to this is you gotta really apply it straight up. You can't like wiggle your lashes in it or it will clump. It will clump so horribly, and then you'll just be walking around looking like a fucking psychopath all day. Also, with it, it doesn't wash off very well either. But that's what makeup remover is for. There's always like a little bit of extra left though. Like, honestly, is it just me who thinks my videos are so fucking cringy? Like, is it just because I'm looking at myself, or am I like that bad? I may or may not be that bad. Don't forget those little lashes in the front, y'all. And then the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. It smells so good and it works so good too. Like, and I just cover up the whole label that you can't even see. That's okay. Last but not least, I love my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's by far the best lip plumper I've used, and I don't know, for me, it doesn't irritate my lips. It doesn't really tingle them too bad, like, but I like that feeling, so who knows. And there you go, guys. This is the finished look. I just love a nice light summer look. Thanks for watching.